Good morning, everyone, or I guess good afternoon or good evening, depending on when you're watching this. But it is morning for me, and I have one goal and one goal only for today, and that is to clean out my closet. I haven't done this in a while, but I'm starting to notice that there's a lot of pieces in my closet that I just don't really wear anymore. Whether it's because I've outgrown them or they just don't suit my style anymore, whatever it may be. So I'm gonna go through everything I have in my closet today and hopefully get rid of some of those items that I just don't really need anymore. There's not going to be a whole lot of action in this video. It's sort of just a chill day for me, but I thought I'd turn this into a video for you guys so you can tag along and hang out with me while I get this done. Alright, so I grabbed a box right there to put all the clothes that I'm not gonna need anymore in. Before I get started, I thought I'd quickly show you guys sort of how I organize my closet. So starting off with the top rack, on the left there, I have pants hanging up on some regular hangers and some pant hangers. This one is absolutely deformed. I don't know what happened to that. But anyways, in the middle, I have my long sleeve shirts. So those are all lined up there. And then on the right, I have a bunch of polo shirts that I mainly only wear for work. Then on the bottom rack, on the left side, I have all of my t-shirts. In the middle, I have all my shorts and some swim trunks as well over there. And then on the right, I have all my athletic wear. So basically just things that I'd wear to play sports or go to the gym. Moving on to the other side, over here is where I have pretty much all of my outerwear. So any jackets, sweaters, vests, things like that. Above that, I have some pants lined up over there, as well as some shoes above it. And then down here, there are some more shoes over there. So I think I'm gonna go through all my clothes in the same sort of order that I just showed you guys. So we're gonna start off on the top rack, move on to the bottom rack there, and then finally finish off with the other side over there. So I guess we might as well get started. I already noticed these two pairs of jeans on this deformed hanger. I actually don't really wear these at all. So I think these might be a good first choice, but let me have a look at them and see. Yeah, so this one right here, kind of out of style. The ripped jeans look, I don't think I've worn these in a couple years now at this point. So honestly, might be a good time to get rid of them. They're really, really skinny and they're also ripped. So I don't really think I can pull them off anymore. Yeah, I think we're gonna get rid of these. Now, as for this pair, I tried these on recently and they didn't really fit. They sort of kind of just didn't match my proportions all that well, but they're still a really nice pair of jeans. So I think I might hold on to these, maybe turn them into a project piece. Who knows, maybe cut them up and turn them into some jorts, we'll see. But I think we're gonna hold on to these for now. Let's move down the line. These are all my sort of joggers. Honestly, I don't wear these all that often anymore, but there are certain cases where I do. I think the only ones that I actually don't wear at all anymore are these blue ones. Honestly, these might be time for these to go as well. Yeah, let's put these in the box. Let's keep going. These are all my other pants that aren't really jeans, but are not really sweats or joggers either. I actually still wear pretty much all of these. Most of these are from Uniqlo. I think these blue ones are from Lululemon, but these are all great pants, so I'm definitely not gonna get rid of any of these. Okay, so this next one, a little bit controversial to me, at least. Thrasher Skateboard Magazine. I don't know if you guys remember a couple of years ago, maybe more than a couple of years ago, like 2016, 2017-ish was when this brand was popping. So obviously I had to hop on the wave, so I got a white long sleeve Thrasher shirt. I haven't worn this since high school, so I probably should get rid of this, but I think this shirt is still pretty good if I want to do some kind of layering and just wear something over top of it and cover the logo. So I might hold on to it for now. Because I mean, outside from the outdated branding, it's still a really comfortable shirt and it's a pretty good material too. So yeah, I think we'll hold on to it for now. Okay, more long sleeves, turtleneck. Yeah, these are all pretty good. I wear these pretty often, so we're gonna keep these. Now, a sweater that I don't wear anymore at all, and you guys might recognize it from this video, this horrendous pumpkin looking crew neck. You know, this is actually still in really good condition because I'm pretty sure after I bought it, I only wore it like maybe 2 or 3 times. I honestly don't know what I was thinking. I got this back in high school. I thought it was really cool. It's just a little too loud for me now. I don't think I could ever picture myself wearing this ever again. So yeah, I think it's time to get rid of this one too. Okay. So this shirt was also in that other video. I honestly don't really know for this one. I don't know if I would wear this again. It's not as bad as the super bright orange sweater, I think, but it's still really out there with the multicolored stripes and the pink. Kind of a lot going on, but I think I might hold on to this for now because I can see maybe some very rare cases where this would look well, maybe in a summer outfit. But yeah, I don't think I'll wear it too often, but I'm gonna hold on to it for now. And the rest of these are just polo shirts that I'm just gonna hold on to because they'll always be useful for work. All right, I'm gonna move on to the bottom rack now. I am sitting on the floor because it's kind of the only way that I could get myself in the shot and show the bottom rack at the same time. But anyways, starting from the left, we have a lot of bright colored stuff here. So I think right away, this shirt, I am definitely not gonna be wearing this anytime soon. Honestly, it's a nice shirt. It's a nice shirt, but I'm not a huge fan of V-necks, and it's also obviously really, really bright. So it doesn't really suit my style anymore. So I think we're gonna get rid of this one. I guess I forgot to ask earlier, but how's everyone doing? I think one of my main goals when it comes to YouTube is to interact with my viewers as much as possible and build a community around this channel. So if you're watching up to this point, why don't you guys comment down below one good thing that's happened in your life? Because I'm curious to know how you guys are doing. What else do we have? Okay, this shirt, I don't really wear anymore either. It's a Dragon Ball shirt. Dragon Ball branded shirt, at least, from Primitive. I also got this back in high school. It was really cool to me at the time, but this has kind of sort of been collecting dust in my closet for a couple of years now. So I don't know if I want to get rid of this or maybe wear this as a workout shirt as well. I think this would look good as a workout shirt, maybe even cut off the sleeves, turn it into a sleeveless shirt. Yeah, honestly, we might do that. I think I'm gonna hold on to this one as well. This shirt, on the other hand, probably has to go. V-neck and stripes, really bright colors. Once again, something that I'd probably wear a couple of years ago, but not anymore. So I think we are definitely gonna get rid of this one. Into the box. As for shorts, I have a lot of different types of shorts. I actually do wear pretty much all of these. So yeah, I'm not gonna get rid of any shorts right now, I think. As for athletic wear, I don't think I'm gonna get rid of any of these either. I pretty much do wear all of these, whether it's playing volleyball or working out at the gym. I think I'm gonna keep most of these. All right, so I think I'm actually pretty much done with this side of the closet. I didn't get rid of as many pieces as I thought I would, so I might have to revisit this later. But for now, we're gonna move on to the other side of the closet. All right, let's get started on this side of the closet. I actually have a lot of dress shirts and button-ups on this side. Let's see here. Okay, this one might have to go. Super loud, bright pink. I don't really think I can see myself wearing this on any occasion. Yeah, it's just too bright. I think we're gonna get rid of this one. So I have these two plaid kind of button-ups. I don't think I've worn these since maybe the 8th grade. I bought these back in middle school and I really haven't touched them since. So these have been collecting dust in my closet for 8 years. So I think we're definitely gonna get rid of these as well. A lot of these are like hoodies and jackets from my old sports teams in high school. I don't really wear too many of them anymore, but I think I still wanna keep them just for nostalgia's sake. Got some other hoodies, jackets. Yeah, I think I still do wear most of these. And then these are my winter jackets. Obviously, I'm not gonna get rid of the Canada Goose. I think we're pretty much gonna keep most of the outerwear that we have on this side of the closet. Okay, let's have a look at these pants up here. I think I still wear most of these. These are the pants I wear for work. These are some of my parachute pants and joggers, and then some more jeans over here. Actually, let's have a look at these jeans because I think I don't really wear too many of these anymore. First is this black pair of ripped jeans that you guys might recognize from some of my other videos. Even though I'm not a huge fan of ripped jeans anymore, I still really like these. I think we're gonna hold on to them for now just because there might be some cases where I could pull this off still, and I kind of don't want to get rid of them because I did really like them back in the day. And then this pair of jeans, this might actually be one of my favorite pairs of jeans. I'm definitely not going to get rid of these. I do still like them, so I'm definitely going to hold on to these for now. I'm really not getting rid of as many clothes as I thought I would. Okay, let's have a look at these jeans here. Okay, yeah, so these are jeans I used to wear to work sometimes. They're honestly not that bad, but these are super skinny. Like, I look stupid wearing these. They kind of almost fit like leggings or jeggings, I guess. I don't know. But I think these are way too tight. So probably gonna have to say bye to these ones as well. I think I'm pretty much gonna keep the rest of what's on this side of the closet. Those 4 pairs of shoes up there, I still pretty much wear all of those. As for the shoes down here, most of them are court shoes that I wear when I play volleyball or basketball or whatever it may be. So I think I'm gonna keep most of those. I think actually I might get rid of one pair down here, which are these red checkered old school Vans. I probably haven't worn these since high school or maybe early university, so they've kind of been collecting dust as well on that shoe rack down there. They're just a little too loud for me now. I don't think I can really pull them off anymore, and someone else could probably put these to a better use, so I think I'm gonna get rid of these as well. So I think I'm pretty much done. So here is what I have in terms of clothes that I am giving away. I did one last final sweep and added a couple more things in here. After doing a quick count, it looks like I'm giving away 2 t-shirts, 3 button-ups, 1 sweater, 1 hoodie, 3 pairs of pants, and 1 pair of shorts, as well as 1 pair of shoes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna let my little brothers go through all of these clothes first, just to see if there's anything that they might want, and then whatever's left I'm gonna take straight to the donation center. I also forgot to mention that it is Thanksgiving long weekend here in Canada, so happy Thanksgiving to all my Canadians watching. For any Americans out there, you guys are gonna have to wait till next month. But that's pretty much it for this video. Cleaning out my closet has been something I've been meaning to do for quite a while, so I thought I might as well turn it into a video. Life is starting to get a little busy for me. I am approaching midterm season, so things might start slowing down in terms of content, but I'm gonna try my best not to miss a video because YouTube is still a big priority for me. So if I do miss a video, then it just means that I'm really swamped with school. But I'm gonna try not to let that happen. It might happen, it might not, but either way, I'm gonna try my best to still put out weekly content for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you dropped a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching up till the end, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.